What's up? This is a quick tutorial on how to use the Canva.com website and software to add your coffee junkie or really any NFT to a photo. And you can see an example of how I've done that here. There's been a lot of people who've been asking how exactly do you do this, so thought I'd make a quick tutorial showing you how. So first of all, you'll need to log into canva.com. Pretty easy. Anyone with a Google account can create an account. And kind of on that note, if you've ever used any of the Google suite, then you will be able to pick up quickly on the Canva platform and how it works. It's very user friendly, and you can use it to create not only still photo edits, but also like digital invitations, printout invitations that you might want to make, presentations, other social media postings, even videos, and for all kinds of platforms. The great thing is that once you click this create a design, you can search for the type of thing that you're going to create, or there's all kinds of different suggestions. My favorite thing to use is the Instagram post. So that's what I'll be showing you, using that square photo setup, about a 1080 by 1080 pixel setup. But you can do things, even interestingly enough, you can create TikTok videos with the platform, all kinds of stuff, and it's super easy to use. All right, so I think that you'll find that it is just as easy as I have found to use this platform. So I'm going to show you how to do it using an example. So I like to do a creative design, go to Instagram post, and you'll notice it automatically opens up this square area. I'm going to go ahead and add a page. It's easiest to get your photo added in here and then add your NFT or whatever you're doing. I'm going to be showing you how with one of my coffee junkies, and but you can really do this with anything. And we're going to use the background remover tool that they have on here. Super simple, easy to use. Then you'll be able to download the final file. You can even upload certain photos. You might have noticed that if you click create a design, you can edit an existing photo, import a file. There's all kinds of different capabilities if you explore. Also on the left hand side, once you start your design, you'll notice the toolbar. The uploads is where you're going to upload your own media. And then also they have these different elements that you can add in, whether it's photos, videos, and all of this stuff is stock, the copyright free type images. Kind of on that note, just make sure that whenever you're doing things like this, you're allowed to use whatever you're using. So whether it's a photo that you've taken yourself, or something you have permission to use, or even a copyright free image, all of that stuff, you always want to make sure to use only that. So I'm going to show you with an example. So I'll just go ahead and grab a photo here. In fact, I'm going to search for coffee shop, click on photos, and let's see, maybe we can find one with the table would be nice. Don't really want a blurry background. I'll just go ahead and grab this one, throw it in here. So I like to make it full screen. That way it doesn't have any outlines or anything. You could, if you like to have other versions, totally cool, whatever you want to have on there, you can. Super easy to use. So once you get your photo uploaded, click onto the second screen. You can add your NFT there. Probably don't want to click and drag it. Leave it there. Click on edit the image, background remover, and you'll notice it's super easy. and quick. The one thing that I will point out, sometimes it doesn't pick up on the background quite as well, so you might need to use this restore to the erase to make any final corrections of that edge, but this one did it perfectly. Also, sometimes there's certain things in the center that it might think are the background and it removes it. For the most part, it does a pretty good job, but sometimes you'll need to click restore and restore whatever got removed that you didn't want it to remove. Important thing is make sure you click apply to finalize it, and then it'll stay in there background free. I like to start by shrinking it down a little bit, and then you can drag it up really easily into your photo wherever you want it. Resize it however you want it to be, and now you've got your coffee junkie in the image. One of the cool things about the software is, as you can notice when I drag this around, it puts markers on there so you know when you're on the center of the page. Another cool feature, if you were putting more than one of these, which I'll just show you that real quick. Let's say you wanted to put another one in here. You can add it. Once you click and drag, it even shows you when you've aligned to the bottom. You can drag and make it the exact same size really easily, and add all kinds of different things into your photos, whether it's multiple NFTs. Also, some people have been dabbling around and adding some text here. One of the cool things about that I'll just show you real quick, if you are adding some text, you can add it in here. Whatever font you want, change the font size, whatever you're going to do with it. One of the cooler aspects about this is that not only can you alter that font size and get it however you want, but another cool thing is you can change the color of the font to match whatever photo is laid on there. So you'll notice it gives you a palette to choose from, so you can very easily match your font to the photo that you're adding or the NFT that you're adding, all kinds of different elements. So as you can tell, it's pretty simple, pretty easy to use. I've made all kinds of different things using this platform, whether it's just removing the background, creating things like Twitter banners. I added all my coffee junkies into my Twitter banner that I've created, and been adding some different NFTs that I hold here and there, and all kinds of cool things like that. So this is the Canva.com platform. You can use it to remove backgrounds and add things like different images and NFTs to your photos to post on Twitter or do other cool things with. So hopefully this was helpful. Have a good day.